Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we have a very special video. It's been a while since we did how to do and what we're gonna do.
My car, the Golf GTI
And what you gonna
MK6
tell, bro?
carbon fiber fenders from SEIBON. So mostly will be done from Mario and Tommy.
We already did one side, so we can suffer the
As
first
you
time.
can see Mario's hands.
Look at my hands, they're all so beautiful. Anyway, so we're gonna film and show you guys how to do it yourself.
So let's just do it.
Yeah! All right, guys, so first thing you gotta do is you gotta loosen the bolts on the front bumper. It's recommended to take off the front grille too, so when you're moving the bumper on each side, you won't break anything. So it's literally like 4 bolts, so there's no point not taking it out. So once you do this, of course, you gotta take off the tire.
It's okay.
You gotta take out the fender liner. It's all those bolts.
11 to be exact.
In the old T25. Once you take all the bolts out, this just comes out because you pull it out, and if you went through a lot of dirt, a lot of crap is gonna come out. So be ready to sweep some stuff around. And now let's show you guys the bolts you gotta take off. So there you got 10mm bolts. There's one here. Take this cover off. It's very simple, just pulls out. There you go. There's one here. There's one over there. And under, when you take this cover off, which this is, you probably never gonna use this, but this basically pulls out, is glued, so you pull it out like this.
And don't be scared to break it because it's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's very fixable if you want to put it back, but you're never gonna need it. This foam, rubber foam, actually holds moisture, so if you don't live in like a dry climate like we do in Arizona or Vegas, you're gonna have rust on the fender. So there's your other nuts right here. You got 10mm here, right here on top, right there on top, and that's pretty much it. But the only bad thing about it is Volkswagen, when they did the 2013 GTI, you see all that white stuff? That's all glue. So you basically have to glue this out. It's easy, just get a flathead screwdriver, go under and just play with it. Look at my finger. I still gluing my finger, bro. So that's it, and then you gotta play with the glue. There's more glue on top too. What I showed you, this bolt. Missing one where?
Inside of the door.
Oh yeah.
Once you get that, that's gonna be your T30. You remove that. You could probably start with that bolt. It's gonna be the easiest. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and knock out these top bolts. It is gonna be a pain in the ass because German engineering, you know, they think they know best. They go ahead and slide down some hot glue, stick the fenders, and call it a day. So, yeah.
Hey, safety first, right? So when you're driving through potholes, you won't lose your fenders. Oh, there's one more bolt right here, bro. So there's another bolt right here that holds the fender and the bumper. There's another one, and once you take off the bumper, there's more bolts here that hold the fender. Why? You know what? I'm gonna slap your ass with my beautiful hand. Look at this.
Don't do it.
Okay, so there's glue here. Come here, show them real quick where the screwdriver is. Okay, see how I'm lifting that glue up? See? There's the fender right here. So you gotta take this out so the fender can come out, and you gotta pry it with a screwdriver. There's glue here on top too. It's holding the nut that you unscrew. So once you unscrew the nut, you're gonna see the glue here. You gotta actually cut it out with the screwdriver and lift it up under with the screwdriver. And once you go down here, Germans didn't spare any money with glue, man. Damn, look at this. It's like silicone glue looking thing. So you gotta work your way up from here all the way up. There's another bracket right here that holds the fender. So you basically gotta take the glue out, play with a screwdriver so you can get the fender loose. Let's show you guys something important. So right here, you have to let the bumper out and clip it from here. There's another bracket that holds the fender. So there's T25s here, here, and here. And once you take this out, you have to loosen the headlight. There's a bracket right over there. There's one bolt, T30 actually, and there's another one right here in the hole. So once you get all those out, you gotta loosen the headlight a little bit. There's only 3/30s on the top. And the last bolt that hold the fender under this bracket.
You'll come in here, and it's just these two. So
Yeah.
you have this one, and then there's one a little deeper in here.
Yeah.
Once you break them loose, just finagle them. Kind of a pain in the ass to get into, but they're just 10 millimeters, easy.
And the last one.
If you have a ratcheting wrench, it's gonna save you a lot of time, trust me. So it's gonna be this hole here and this hole here.
That's it. And then there's a little clip that holds the headlight inside the fender right there. Yeah, so now we're gonna take off the fender.
Once
okay?
you get it, you just kind of have to,
You gotta play around with it, and there's still glue, so.
right here,
Oh yeah.
because they decide they like to glue everything. Give it a good pull. It's like, you know, school gum. It's probably been there forever.
Oh, damn, dude.
Just like that.
And there you go. You got no fender.
Easy
Look at us,
peasy.
dude. That's crazy.
Very clean. This thing weighs like nothing. So it's funny because if you compare this to the carbon fenders, it's probably a good like 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds lighter.
Those right here, when we uncover the carbon fiber fender a little bit, we gotta pull those out. The little clips. Tom is gonna do that because I tried earlier. Obviously, I don't have bigger, strong hands like him.
He's just incompetent, that's all. So what you want to do is on this back side here, it's a weird clip. So you're gonna pinch to one side and you're gonna just push. Kind of wiggle it and it'll come right out. So once you get that, just pop them
We need
out.
4 of them too.
Yeah, so you won't be using everything.
No, so you only need those 3 and the one that's clipping the fender to the bumper too.
Yep.
This one. I got it.
Cool.
So I only need 4. And
That's all you
and
need.
then
Throw
we're gonna
this
see
away.
you guys in a bit. No, you're not throwing it away. What the hell, dude? When we uncover in a little bit the carbon fender, we're gonna show you what you have to modify so you can fit those little clips in the. Ooh. I got it, bro, man. Look at that, mother. Dude, this is beautiful, bro. SEIBON, bro. Can't go wrong with that. And actually, Martin got lucky because when he ordered it, right? They didn't have the fenders in stock, so SEIBON decided to make them a brand new one from scratch. So that's awesome, man.
Oh,
Hey,
look at this.
you know what? Look at the holes, bro. They're perfect.
Yeah, so they actually squared these ones out. So the other side, we had to do a little bit of work. Yeah, sure. But we had to square these out so the little plastic clips come in. So you'll get only these 4 squares. That's all you need.
Oh no, this hole's too small. Let's try that one. This one's perfect. So this one, we probably got to Dremel out a little bit. But you can always use a little Dremel with a little bit and just make the necessary adjustments. As you saw before on the other fender, we had to play with a Dremel to make the holes bigger because they're round. That one's near perfect, only one hole. We're gonna do the same exercise like we did before.
So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep these 2 down here loose. We're going to align this so you can see it's got a little bit of movement, not much. We're gonna keep this one loose and this one up here as well. Just so when we open and close the door, we're getting perfect alignment. And then I also kept this one up here in this door jamb loose as well. This right here for your 8-dollar, you want to keep it semi-loose. So when you press and pull, you can get different gap
You
sizing.
can have play in it so you can mess with it.
So since we're already here,
Let's try it.
we're gonna have him, Mario, close the door just slightly. So what we're looking here is we want perfect fitment so it's not gonna touch your door. See how it doesn't come close? Now I can move this left and right. Now if I move it in and he just slowly opens it, see like it's basically gonna touch. So I'm gonna back it off to about there. Go ahead and open it. So you want to keep the same gap through and through. So realistically, if you was just to shut the door now, I can gauge it off my own eyes. So I'm gonna close it. So see how it's kind of thick gap here, gets tight, and then it opens back out. So that's why I keep this screw loose, because I could push up into this panel, close that, and then down here, I can adjust it. So realistically, I want the gap to be this. Probably about the width of maybe 2 pennies. Perfect fitment, and then you just screw these down and you're good.
And make sure you use a ratchet.
Yeah.
Don't use the gun, because that's carbon, you're gonna mess everything up.
So you're
gonna crack it. And then it's no good.
So
you gotta be careful.
Snug. So you still want movement. You don't want this thing to be completely loose. So once you get your perfect fitment, then you'll go ahead and you'll tighten these bottoms.
And tighten them by hand and don't over tighten them.
So just give it a couple of good old snugs. So when I do it, it's just, you're using it probably down the middle of the wrench, just a couple. So if you look now, pretty much even gap up until I get this side done. So go ahead and open it. Perfect. Don't even touch.
So we're gonna finish bolting this, aligning the fender. Let me point something out real quick, right over here on this side. So on this side, you gotta play with the headlight a little bit. So SEIBON made the hole a little bit smaller, so we had to dremel the hole out just a little bit so we can fit this inside like this. So before you put the headlight on, you gotta unscrew the 2 bolts that we took out in the beginning, put everything, and then install the bumper. What you doing, bro?
Wiping off my new sexy fenders, brother. Look at this. Look at this.
Should I show? Okay, I'll show.
God damn! Look at that white booty. I mean, not booty, but goddamn, look at that.
That's, oh wow.
Uh-huh.
Dude, this looks so sick. Let me show, oh my God. Wow, wow.
You like it?
I f***ing love it, dude. Man. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Man, that's looking hard.
Shit, dude. Damn. SEIBON, props to that, man.
Absolutely.
Perfect fitment. And with a little bit of adjustments, but dude, it's all worth it. Look at that front end. Damn.
Man, this is gonna be super nice on Rentober, huh?
Oh yeah.
This is for the car show.
Yeah, guys, we're going to Rentober. It's a Big Bear Lake in California.
October 10th till 14th.
October 10th to 14th, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna be there. We're gonna film some of it. We're gonna show you what's up. But little Martin is excited. man, huh? You like how it look, huh?
I love it. And now it's ready for the new sexy sticker from our car club, huh?
Hey.
In Vegas.
Hey, we didn't announce
Me,
that yet.
You and Mr. the amazing Tommy.
Say something, dude.
So we're a lot more exclusive. We are going to be open up to bikes, cars, trucks, just any and everything. There's going to be an official announcement hopefully later down the road, but you guys will see.
Hell yeah. Hey, Tommy.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he's putting it on. There you go. Oh, perfect. All right, guys, I want to thank our good friend Tommy for helping me and Martin install those beautiful fenders. We could have done it without him. Hey, want to say something, bro?
Yeah, just always appreciate the time and you guys coming over. So, till next time.
Brother.
Bro, I gotta ask you just one last question before we end the video. Does those fenders give you pleasure, my friend?
What do you think, dirty boy? Hell yeah!
Goddamn!